something like that here at Gigi Asian for dinner. It is a family style dinner. This is some good stuff right there. You get a chance to get with it 3 appetizers, 3 entrees, 3 sides, and 3 desserts.
It's because we came with 3 people.
Because it's 3 people. But yeah, so it is good. They just brought our spring rolls. The salad that I'm eating right now, it is nice. It is very good. Their plating and presentation is very nice. You can't go wrong with it. This is good. Wow, that pork belly was great. Had a nice crunch top to it. Very flavorful, juicy, was not dry. The spring rolls, great, great, great. And the popsicles, she's about to try one out right now. So what do you think about the meal so far?
It's really good. I really enjoyed it. Like the entire atmosphere and everything. I'm red.
So, you have any favorite appetizer?
So far, the popsicles.
Popsicle was good,
Yeah,
right?
And I'm not even really big on pork belly, but the pork belly was really tasty too.
Oh, okay. All right. So, we wait for the other stuff to show up.
Yep.
So right here we have the chicken fried rice, the compound chicken, and the jasmine steamed rice. That's it. This is great because everything serves family style, so you can get what you want, this and that. Everything has been great so far. Digging time! And here is the peppered beef. Look at that. Look at that.
Nice presentation.
Look at that presentation.
That is on top, but
Amber, can you lift that fork? Actually,
Move.
or lift that thing up?
lift this.
Yeah.
Well, take the picture first.
No, I already did. Oh, okay. There it goes. That looks nice. Yes. Yes. So I just opened up my fortune cookie and it reads, your magnetic personality will draw people to you.
Oh Lord.
Oh wow, really?
Somebody lied to him.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, she's talking that smack. So what's yours, Amber?
Ideas are like children. There are none so wonderful as your own.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting.
Tangela, what's yours? She doesn't have her glasses.
This is my mom's.
Uh-huh.
It says, a change of heart may lead to a new living environment.
Oh, okay.
A change of
So Amber, 1 out of 5. How
This
would you
food was
rate
so-
your
don't even play with me.
experience?
This food was so good. And the service was great. Everything was
Straight
a
5.
Yeah.
Fire. Every dish was great.
Yes.
The flavoring was just
Really,
phenomenal.
that pepper
They
steak,
was
y'all
great.
don't
That
sleep on that
pepper,
pepper steak
yeah.
for real.
The pepper steak was on
Don't sleep
point.
on that because we almost didn't get that. So I'm glad I looked at that. So don't sleep on the pepper steak. It was really, really good.
Yes, everything was great. The flavoring, it was just, I'm lost for words.
It's just so much.
It's just
So
it was
much
a lot of
food.
food.
Full.
We literally have 2 containers that we're taking back to the room to go put in the fridge.
So if you do come here, just make sure you just have like a have breakfast.
Don't eat lunch.
Don't eat lunch. If you do like a fruit or something, because you're gonna be stuffed
Yeah,
eating
go light.
here. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button, hit the thumbs up, click subscribe so you catch further content out there that I'm bringing to you. I'm TJ with TJ's Destinations. I'm out.